Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on FXTM. And most of the time gold is just standing right here on your market watch list. But if you don't have that, we go right here to symbols and then we can search right here for XAU. And then it's standing right there, XAU to US dollar. So we click on that, show symbol, okay. And now we can throw it right here to the chart. So now we are having it right here standing on the chart. Then what we are going to do is we click right here on new order and now we can create ourselves a position. With the volume, we need to fill in how much we want to buy. So with 0.01, we buy exactly 1 XAU US dollar. Then we can put a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. But right now we are just interested in buy gold. So if you click right here on buy by market, you will buy it immediately. So be careful if you click right here on buy, but we will do this right now for a demo account. So we click here on buy and now we created ourselves exactly 0.01 XA US dollar. So now it's standing right here and this is how you can buy gold right here on FXTM. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.